Hi friends, good morning. So now we'll concentrate on our next example on our Kotlin. So now I want to discuss switch in Kotlin. So I'm creating this project name called switch Kotlin. So just I created this Kotlin. Just we'll drag and drop this switch and we'll see how this functioning. So project is creating. Just as usually in normal way, we can create a switch and we can means we can drag and drop the switch and we can do this next step from there. How it should be, we can see here now. Say project is creating this switch Kotlin. Okay, still this project is building. So here I want to now take this linear layout. On the linear layout, I want to drag and drop the switch. Then we can apply just it's a switch functionality. Just I want to write only the toast. Just I want to show data in a toast. It's working or not like that. So switch means normally we use this switch for on and off. It's a also multi-state. What is multi-state? Here two states. It has two states. When one is on, the other one is off. So when you want to on and off, based on me, I have some conditions other like Wi-Fi on and off, Bluetooth on and off. So based on that criteria, we can go with the next steps on this. See here now, this constant layout I want to change as linear layout. The orientation of vertical. Then here now this is here. Now I want to drag and drop the switch. So from here switch, I drag and drop the switch here. So drag and drop the switch here. So what is the switch code here? Normally as usual it's a switch. One is the ID. So now I want to write the functionality for this here. So in a simple way, it's a way how it's write switch one. So it should shown in a drop down switch one from this c dot set on checked. See here like this. I'm writing this check on checked. Done. So here I want to write the toast, but here it is also having two conditions. So I'm writing this if is checked equal to true. So then it's a something condition, else something condition. So I want to write the toast here. So toast dot make text. Here context is we'll write like this. This at the rate main activity. So in reverse manner we'll write this. Then it's s of, because it's a condition is this. Then here finally we'll write this toast dot length long dot show like this. So here already we discussed there is no semicolons in this. Here this I'm changing as s on. See now I'm running this. Once we'll run this, we'll check this output, how much it's a simple and how it happens. Easily we can identify that here. See. Since this program is running, once we will run, we can able to check this. So for this, each and every program, code link as well as a GitHub link, also related some other apps, I'm providing this details in description. So you can go description and you can search for those. So those all are very helpful resources for this. Yeah, it's installing. Now we can able to check here in phone. See here it's a switch. Now I on. So now I'm clicking on this. It's on, off, on and off. It's working like this. So this is the switch in this Android with using the Kotlin. Please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.